Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick way on how to increase your battery's performance on your Windows computer. And this is a very simple tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing, and honestly I would say probably the best thing you can do, is if you have brightness options on your keyboard, so if there's like a brightness little sun icon, go ahead and actually turn the brightness of your monitor down. You'll be surprised how much energy your monitor itself consumes. So that's actually a huge part of what consumes battery. So if you can decrease how bright your monitor is, you're going to automatically extend your battery life. So definitely one thing to consider right off the bat. Open up the start menu, type in control panel. Best match to go back with control panel listed right above app. Go ahead and left click on that. If you buy, you want to go select the large icon. So again, actually it'd be across from. So once you have that, you want to go locate the power options selection. Let's go ahead and select that. So underneath the plan section, you want to show additional plans. So click the little drop down. Select Power Saver. Saves energy by reducing your computer's performance where possible. And then that pretty much be it, guys. So you can just close out of here with to just restart your computer. Another thing you can also do would be to adjust your performance settings too. So if you were to open up the start menu and type in performance, and it says adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and you went ahead and just left clicked on that, you can select adjust for best performance. Please note it's going to make your appearance of your Windows a little, I'd say, less appealing, but it should also increase your performance a bit as well as reducing your battery consumption here. So you can see that it does seem to move a little bit quicker, and it will look a little bit different too. You won't have as many of the graphics that you would have had before, but generally speaking it should definitely increase the performance a little bit. So just giving you guys another option there to work with, and as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.